Hi, welcome to ProgrammingKT. I am explaining about the problem is median of two sorted arrays. So input will be two sorted arrays, array 1 and array 2. We need to merge these two sorted arrays, then you can find median from that result array. So median will be if the result array length is even number, then sum of middle two elements by 2. So that is the median for given two sorted arrays. So if the result array is odd number, then result will be middle element from that result array. So let me show you one tracing diagram, then you can understand more. So in this diagram, first case will be the array length is even number, right? Here in this case exactly we have 10 elements. So median will be sum of middle two elements. Here in this case 9 plus 10, 19 by 2. So we will get median like 9.5. So in second case array length is 4. Here also even number, right? So 6 plus 8 by 2. Exactly we are getting 7. So in third case array length is odd number, like array is having 5 elements, then median will be middle element, that is 8. So let me try to build the logic for this problem. So this problem is exactly similar to merging of two sorted arrays. If you did not watch that video, then it will be more easy for you. So let me try to build the logic. So I am trying to declare array like first array. So I am trying to take values as it is from input first array, and I am declaring one more array, second array. So this one also I am trying to take elements from input as it is. Now I am trying to create one method called find median. So this method is expecting two parameters, integer type of array, first array and second array. So now I am trying to create that method. So from this method I am trying to return the result. So median will be, we need to consider decimal value also, right? That's why I am trying to return double value. So inside this I am trying to build the logic. So first I need to create one result array. Why? Because first first array and second array I need to merge, right? That result I am trying to store in third array, that is result array. Result. So array length must be sum of first array and second array. First array length plus second array length. Now I am trying to declare three variables to keep track for three arrays. First array, second array index tracking, finally third array, result array index tracking. So this is the three variables I am trying to declare. Why? Because I am not using for loop. So next I am trying to write one while loop. So here I am trying to check the condition length of first array is less than, I is less than first array length, and j is less than second array length. If it is true, I am trying to check one more condition called first array of ith index element. In while loop I am trying to check length condition. Inside if condition I am trying to check actual values. So here in second array of jth index element, means here in this case first array of ith index element is smaller. That's why I am trying to assign result array of index k. I am trying to assign first array of ith index. So else I am trying to assign reverse, like in that case if it is false then second array of jth index will be small. So that's why I am trying to assign result of A, I am assigning second array of jth index. So moreover that I need to increment k value and j value, a value. Why? Because I am not using for loop, right? We need to increment. So now the code is looking good. This is the first scenario we need to handle. First array is length is equal to second array length. Can call first array is equal to second array. So here in this case I can give one example. So if the array length is 4, second array length also 4, 9, so this is the case for we need to handle merging of two sorted array. In second scenario we need to handle condition like first array length is greater than second array. In first array we have 4, second array we have 2. So in this case also we need to handle. So for this I need to write one while loop. I is less than first array dot length so still some elements are pending inside first array. I need to assign result array k plus plus into first array of ith index. Now I need to write one more condition. In this case first array is less than second array. So here I can give first array is having length of 2 elements, second array is having elements of 4. So in that case I need to write one more while loop. So j is less than second array dot length. So I am trying to assign second array elements into result array. Second array of j plus plus. Now merging of two sorted arrays logic is looking good. Now we need to find we need to find median. Before that I am trying to create two more variables called I am trying to find middle element. So for that I am trying to first I will check result array length. Middle means length by 2. Now I have middle element. I am declaring one more variable called length result dot length. So instead of this I can move this element into I can move to top. This length variable I can reuse here, then it will be code will be more clean. So now I need to find median. So before that I need to check the result array length. So if the length is even number, then median will be sum of middle two elements by 2. So how we can check length is even number or not? So length divides by 2 equal to 0. So if the remainder is 0, so length will be even number. I am trying to return median like result array of mid plus result array of mid minus 1. So I will explain why I am taking minus 1. So by 2.0. So I am trying to we need to return decimal value also, right? In some cases we will get decimal value for median. So that's why I am trying to declare here 2.0 double value, else I need to return if the array length is odd number. So I am trying to return result array of middle element. So this is the logic for to find median of two sorted arrays. First we need to merge, then we can find median. If the array length is even number, then median will be sum of middle two elements by 2, or else if array length is odd number, then median will be middle element. So let me try to run it. Let me try to maximize the console. I did not print, right? That's why we got empty result. Let me try to assign here, and I am trying to print the result. So find median. Now let me try to run. We got exact output, right? 9.5. So this is the result for 9 plus 10 by 2. Let me try to change with a different input. So now I have median, for this input, first array and second array, you got result 10. Let me try to print one result, try to print one as out for result array, then we can understand. To string of result array. Now let me try to run. So here array length will be, I think, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, odd number, right? In that case median will be middle number, this one. That's why you got 10.0. So this is the logic for to find median for median for sorted arrays. So first you need to merge, then you can find median. So one point is pending here. Why I consider here mid minus 1. So let me jump into the diagram. So if we can observe second scenario, array length is even number, that is 4 elements. So 4 by 2 we will get result 2, right? Quotient we will get 2. So array index is starting from 0. So 2 means element 8. If I can consider mid plus 1, it goes to 12. So 8 and 12, these are the not middle two elements, right? That's why I will consider mid minus 1, then 6 plus 8. These two are the middle elements to find median. So that's why I am considering here mid minus 1. So let me try to analyze space complexity and time complexity here. So when it came to space complexity, here I am trying to use exactly one brand new array. I can specify big O of n. Time complexity will be the, I can say, two arrays I am trying to iterate. First array length is n, second array length will be n. So then I can consider, I will say time complexity also big O of n. So anyway, we can ignore constant, 2n almost equal to big O of n only. So this is the logic for finding median of two sorted arrays. So if you found the content is valuable and you learned something new from this video, hit on like button and subscribe ProgrammingKT. Thank you. Here I can, don't try to consider the spelling mistakes here. Second array, second. So in comments I did some spelling mistake, I corrected now. So this is the logic for finding median of two sorted arrays. Thank you.